just started driving now, and there's a load of smoke coming out the back of the car. Car's not misfiring or anything, but there's oil all over the exhaust manifold. Now we're still gonna go to the shop. Look at the mist over here. That's all oil. I hope this works. I have a fire extinguisher here in the back of the car, but man, because I was checking out my fuel levels. How's my car driving now? But there's just lots and lots of smoke coming out at the back. I was still gonna go to the shops, but I have to make sure I just get home now. Oh, stress is next level. And I actually just got the tappet cover gasket yesterday, saying that I actually need to replace this before I take my car to the dyno. I have a fire extinguisher out in the boot, but I'm really hoping now that this car doesn't set on fire, because it's on the exhaust manifold, the hottest point now of the car, besides the combustion chamber. So it's now the 27th. I was actually planning on getting the car driving for the dyno, and that was supposed to start tomorrow, but man, I was supposed to have some I actually can't even think straight now, because this is the biggest fire risk there is, besides actual petrol. But I mean, okay, so now the goal is just to get home. Now YouTube's gonna get the video of me without the fight. Yar. Alright, we're gonna have to take back roads home now, because we can't sit for long. But what could have caused the failure like this? And all the cars that driving with the brights behind me to tell me that my shit's on fire. You know what, I'm not going to complain, because I actually literally got the part in my room. But now that throws me out for an entire day. Because I started smelling like a rubber burn, like my tires are burning, but I know my alignment's fine. I didn't take any big impacts, none of that. This is just so annoying. As soon as I get out the car, like cars in the yard and everything, I'm going to show you what I'm seeing in terms of where the oil is going to. Because first thing when I saw smoke, I was like, I'm not losing fuel pressure, so don't tell me my sump is actually gone. Or at least there's no oil pressure light, but my engine is running fairly warm. Check it out, just there. You know, sometimes in moments like this, you ask yourself, because the past actually years just passed now, so for the first time in years, now you ask yourself, is it lucky that I got it home safe, or is Satan trying to stop me from getting somewhere? Okay. Okay, so there is tappet cover is dry. Okay, let's check something. Let's just wipe under here and let's see. Yeah, that's wet. If you're seeing what I'm seeing, this here is a whole lot more wet than above here. So you're telling me that this entire tappet cover gasket is actually good. It's just dead. In fact, you know what? Let's double check it. Let's just do this. So I'm not too sure if you've actually just seen what I have seen, but I don't know how can an entire gasket just fail along one surface. I mean, I'm sure if you've seen the actually have some gasket maker that I use on the side just to prevent seepage, but the whole side of it is wet. This is annoying because this is actually 2 days out from where it was supposed to be. Oh, good thing I was planning to Uber tomorrow, so I guess we can get our diner series going.